Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be making a delicious chicken fricassee. Stay tuned. All right guys, so first we're gonna start off by adding our dry seasoning, dry ingredients, all right? So you're gonna need a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, chili powder, just a little tad of cinnamon powder. You're also gonna need some black pepper, Now we're gonna add our fresh ingredients. Chopped onions, a little bit of parsley, green onions, mushroom, carrots, a little bit of bell peppers, tomatoes, and then we're gonna start mixing everything together. All right, so start mixing. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and flip our chicken. And once the chicken starts to get brown, you want to flip them over. And then we're gonna repeat the same step, for the other side. All right, now we're gonna add our fresh veggies and seasoning. We're gonna add a little water, let it simmer down. All right, guys, so for the final step, we're just gonna add a little bit of heavy cream. And this is gonna give us our nice, creamy, thick sauce, all right? All right, guys, so your chicken fricassee is good to go. This is the sauce, creamy sauce you're looking for.